So you've already selected your category and your name is already here. So the next thing you need to do is to follow this link here. So you just come here and follow this link. This is business of the year, and then come to the link which is here and then look for the contact centers, the ones you've been assigned. So contact centers, so they are right here. So just click it. So the first thing you need to do is to take the stats of how many businesses we have in that category. So how do you do it? Just scroll down, and then we have businesses from Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Rwanda, Burundi, DRC, South Sudan, Somalia, and others. Everyone, this position is also going to allow you to travel, because if you get a business from Uganda who is interested in your service, or he says he is interested in something, then it means you may need to travel. So you need to be ready with the travel documents just in case. But ideally, we'd expect Kenyans to handle Kenyan businesses, Ugandans to handle Uganda businesses, and Tanzanians to handle Tanzanian businesses. Now, we may not have exactly the right people in Tanzania already at the moment, so we are relying on anyone. If you're able to cover all of them, the better. Now, what you need to do is to count. So you know from here, 1, 2, 3, and then you count downwards. So 1, 2, and then you just count downwards. Let's say, oh, so this is this I can count. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times 3 is 30, plus 1 is 31. So come here and note it here. So we are saying in Kenya, contact centers, they are 31. Now you realize last time they were 28, but now they are 31. Now what you also need to be doing is whenever you find another business that you are lacking, then you need to be adding it. So that's why we are adding that, and that you are earning as data entry. So I add it, and then I go to Uganda. So again, I do the counting. How many do we have from Uganda? So these other countries may be less, but again, you continue adding. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, and 3. So that's 9 and 10. So I go back here and record it. So it's 10. So just make sure you record all that. So that's what you need to do for all the categories that you are assigned. Once you are done with that, now ask for the Excel. Basically, you want an Excel of all the 31 businesses. So we are going to download and give you the Excel. Now, what you need to do once you receive that Excel is to clean it. Cleaning the Excel is very simple. You basically will receive that Excel in a very big format. It will be having so many columns. So what you need to do is to clean it. Cleaning it means putting the name only. All we need is the name and the phone number. Now you can manually do it, but there's a better way of doing it. So you can always ask your mentor, but we can also record for you a video. But in short, those who are good with Excel, we just need the phone number here and the name of the business. Please make sure at this stage you do not confuse, because it would be very bad if you call help with another name, like you call another company with another name. So you have to be very good in Excel. Once you're done with Excel, let us know so that we counter check. But you have to be very good with Excel. You don't need to mix on any numbers, because that will be very bad if you're referring to a company with a different name. So do the same with the emails as well. Once you are done, it's very easy now. You now need to go into the next process of reaching out now to these businesses, and that is the last stage where now you're making your money. So I'm hoping that now you've gone, you have your dashboard, you have your categories. Now you can start working. When you start working, we've done a number of emails, which I'm going to cover in a few, for how you get started, because now you have your Excel and it's ready and you're good to go. So how do you start with your contacts? How do you start? That's what we're covering next.